Hey there, it's Janet from Vilsec. Funny seeing you in the elevator. I want to tell you about a really cool product I'm using that sends assignments to my Google Classroom, and it's called GoFormative. And in GoFormative, I can assign an assignment or look in the library for something that I maybe goes with what I'm teaching. And in these assignments, you can look at students' works, you can give them multiple choices, or you can view the responses in real time. This was a multiple choice one. They all got it right. So I don't really need to go over that one. But then when I looked at number four, which I looked at their responses and they had tons of different ones, I went over that one with my class. I had the exact same questions there. I made it big and I drew the hands on to show my thinking. And I went over short and longhand because I knew that was confusing a lot of the kids when I did that. So that is GoFormative. It's awesome. You can create things and upload them right to your Google Classroom. The only big wish I have for that, or the drawback is it goes down when my teaching hours usually are. Usually I say 50% of the time. So you have to cut and paste some of the answers if you don't send them immediate responses when they're doing their work, like in a Jamboard, and go over the answers that way. So my big wish would be that it is consistently up this program. All right, great seeing you here. Please try to use it. Bye.